Welcome to Science Meets Adventure, exploring nature's secret. Today, we journey into one of the most mysterious regions on our planet, where the ocean's surface glitters like a sheet of glass, yet hides stories that have haunted sailors, pilots, and scientists for decades. This is the Bermuda Triangle, a vast expanse of water where ships and aircraft have allegedly disappeared under mysterious circumstances. As our drone rises over the Atlantic, the camera captures endless turquoise waves, islands surrounded by coral reefs, and clouds drifting slowly across the horizon. It looks peaceful, but beneath these waters lies one of Earth's greatest enigmas. The Bermuda Triangle lies in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean. Its 3 points form a triangle that stretches between Miami in Florida, the island of Bermuda to the north, and San Juan in Puerto Rico to the south. Within this area of about 500,000 square miles, legends tell of countless disappearances, strange lights in the sky, and magnetic forces that defy explanation. Stories of lost ships and vanished aircraft have fueled our imagination for over a century. Some blame extraterrestrials, others believe in portals to another dimension, and some see it as a curse of the sea. But beyond the myths, science tells a far more fascinating story, one rooted in geology, meteorology, and the powerful forces of nature that shape our world. The mystery began in the early 20th century when sailors and aviators reported compasses spinning uncontrollably, instruments failing, and sudden storms rising out of nowhere. The most famous case is that of Flight 19, a group of 5 U.S. Navy bombers that disappeared during a routine training mission in 1945. The weather was calm when they took off, but radio contact soon faded. Their last message was a confused voice reporting, "Everything looks wrong. The ocean doesn't look as it should." The planes never returned, and the rescue aircraft sent after them vanished as well. No wreckage, no survivors, only questions. These stories fed the legend of the Bermuda Triangle, creating an aura of fear and fascination that still surrounds the region today. Yet science offers explanations that are no less awe-inspiring. Beneath the calm surface of these waters lies an underwater world shaped by fire and time. The region sits on the Bahama Banks, a plateau made of ancient coral and limestone. Beneath it, deep trenches and volcanic ridges cut through the ocean floor. Scientists have found evidence that vast pockets of methane gas are trapped under the seabed. When pressure builds and these pockets erupt, bubbles rise to the surface, temporarily reducing the water's density. If a ship happens to be above such a release, it could lose buoyancy and sink almost instantly, leaving no floating debris behind. Then there are the strange magnetic variations. The Earth's magnetic field is not uniform, and in some regions, it fluctuates dramatically. The Bermuda Triangle happens to lie near one of these magnetic irregularities. Compasses may behave erratically, pointing toward true north instead of magnetic north, confusing navigation. In the days before digital GPS, a few degrees of error could lead pilots or captains hundreds of miles off course, directly into storms or reefs. The stories of ships vanishing might not be supernatural at all, just tragic encounters between human error and nature's unpredictable power. Ocean currents also play their part. The Gulf Stream, a powerful river of warm water, flows right through the Bermuda Triangle. Its speed can reach up to 5 miles per hour, carrying anything, from driftwood to debris, far from the place where it originated. If a vessel sank here, its remains could be scattered across hundreds of miles in a matter of hours. Add to this the violent weather of the region, sudden thunderstorms, waterspouts, and hurricanes. The Bermuda Triangle sits in one of the most active storm zones on Earth, where hot tropical air meets cool Atlantic winds. Massive walls of clouds can rise in minutes, waves can reach heights of 30 feet, and powerful downdrafts can force planes into the sea. Before modern radar and satellites, such storms were impossible to predict, leaving early explorers completely vulnerable. When you look closely, the Bermuda Triangle is not a zone of supernatural mystery, but a perfect intersection of natural forces, magnetic variations, methane eruptions, strong currents, and severe weather, all capable of creating chaos in moments, and yet, Despite its dark reputation, this part of the Atlantic is breathtakingly beautiful. Beneath the waves lies one of the richest marine ecosystems in the world. The coral reefs here form vast underwater gardens, home to colorful fish, turtles, dolphins, and rays. Shipwrecks have become artificial reefs, attracting life in abundance. Divers describe the water as crystal clear, with visibility up to 60 meters. Descending through the blue, you can see history preserved: anchors, cannons, and skeletal remains of ships that once sailed these waters, now covered in coral and teeming with life. The island of Bermuda itself is a geological marvel. It was born millions of years ago from volcanic eruptions along the mid-Atlantic ridge, an underwater mountain chain stretching across the ocean floor. Over time, coral grew over the volcanic rock, shaping Bermuda's famous pink sand beaches and limestone cliffs. Within the island's depths lie the crystal caves, formed over millennia by dripping water rich in minerals. Their underground lakes are so clear that boats appear to float in midair, reflecting the delicate stalactites hanging from the ceiling. Every drop of water inside these caves carries the story of millions of years of Earth's evolution. For travelers, the Bermuda Triangle is not a place to fear, but a world to explore. Visitors can start in Bermuda, a small island filled with pastel-colored houses, historic forts, and gardens bursting with tropical flowers. Hike through Tom Moore's jungle, a lush green reserve filled with hidden pools and limestone caves. Kayak through calm coastal waters, snorkel above coral reefs, or dive into the depths to explore sunken ships like the Constellation or the Mary Celestia. Each wreck tells a story of adventure and resilience, now reclaimed by the sea. The sense of mystery that once scared sailors now draws diverse scientists and photographers from all over the world. Above the surface, the view from the sky is just as mesmerizing. Scenic flights offer a bird's-eye panorama of the endless Atlantic, the seamless blend of blue sky and shimmering sea. Pilots equipped with modern GPS and radar navigate safely through the same routes that once sparked fear and wonder. The legend of the Bermuda Triangle continues, but today it inspires exploration rather than avoidance. Beyond its natural wonders, Bermuda offers a vibrant cultural experience. Influenced by British, African, and Caribbean traditions, its people are known for their warmth and hospitality. Visitors can enjoy music festivals, colorful street parades, and delicious local cuisine, from fresh seafood to spicy fish chowder and rum cakes that capture the island's spirit. Every corner tells a story of harmony between people and nature, where ancient legends meet modern life. In truth, the Bermuda Triangle is a reminder of how small we are compared to the forces of nature, and how curiosity drives us to seek understanding even in the face of mystery. The ocean that once swallowed ships now invites exploration. The storms that once terrified sailors now help us study climate and weather patterns. Each discovery brings us closer to the realization that what we call mystery is often just nature's complexity waiting to be understood. As the sun sets over the Atlantic, its golden reflection dances across calm waters. The camera pulls back slowly, revealing the vast expanse of ocean that has inspired both fear and fascination for generations. Perhaps the greatest secret of the Bermuda Triangle is not about what disappears, but about what it reveals: the endless curiosity of the human spirit, the drive to explore, and the beauty of a planet still full of secrets. Thank you for joining us on this journey through one of the world's most intriguing and beautiful places. If you enjoyed exploring the Bermuda Triangle with us, its science, its mystery, and its breathtaking nature, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Science Meets Adventure, exploring nature's secret. Because the more we explore, the more we realize that nature's greatest mysteries aren't meant to frighten us. They're meant to remind us how extraordinary our world truly is.